Today we're going to tackle an issue that many of you have been facing: sounds not being available on Instagram Reels after you download them. Don't worry, we've got a 100% working solution for you, so let's get started. First, let's understand the problem. When you download a reel from Instagram, you might find that the sound is missing. This happens because Instagram doesn't include audio in downloaded reels to protect copyright and content creators. The easiest way to get around this is by using your phone's screen recording feature. Here's how you can do it. On iPhone, swipe down from the top right corner to open the control center and tap on the screen recording button. And on Android, swipe down to access the quick settings panel and tap on the screen recording icon. Start the screen recording and play the Instagram reel you want to save. Make sure your volume is up so the sound is recorded. Once the reel finishes, stop the screen recording this video with sound will be saved to your phone's gallery. If you want to trim the video to remove the beginning and end where you're starting and stopping the screen recording, you can use any video editing app for Android, and for iPhone you can simply edit it through your camera roll like this.